You're scrolling through social media, consuming post after post. You see influencers living lavish lifestyles, entrepreneurs sharing their success stories, and ads promising you the next big thing. It's a constant stream of content designed to capture your attention and keep you engaged. But have you ever stopped to think about the economics behind it all? Every swipe, every like, every share, it's all part of a massive ecosystem where money is being made, often without you even realizing it. Suddenly you realize someone is getting rich every time you swipe. The platforms, the advertisers, the content creators, they're all cashing in. And here's the kicker, it could be you. Yes, you heard that right. The same tools and platforms that others are using to build their wealth are available to you too. The difference? They took the leap, and you haven't yet. Now ask yourself, why not you? What's holding you back? Is it fear of failure, lack of knowledge, or maybe you think it's too late to start? Let me tell you, the only thing standing between you and your wealth potential is the decision to take action. The digital age has leveled the playing field. You don't need a huge investment to get started. All you need is a smartphone, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn and adapt. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you why content creation is one of the most powerful wealth-building tools of our time, and why not starting now could cost you a fortune in the long run. Content creation isn't just about making videos or writing blogs. It's about building a brand, creating value, and establishing a connection with an audience. Whether it's through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a personal blog, the opportunities are endless. And the best part? You can start right now, from the comfort of your home. Stick around to the end, and I'll reveal the secret ingredient that makes all the difference for sustainable success. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about creating a long-term strategy that will continue to generate income for years to come. The secret ingredient? Consistency. It's the one thing that separates those who succeed from those who give up too soon. Consistent effort, consistent quality, and consistent engagement with your audience. Spoiler alert, it's not what you think. It's not about having the best equipment or the most followers. It's about showing up day after day and delivering value. So, are you ready to unlock your wealth potential? Let's dive in and explore the world of content creation together. The world is changing faster than ever, and the old ways of building wealth just aren't cutting it anymore. The old playbook for building wealth? Gone. Outdated. Toast. We're talking about the strategies that worked for our parents and grandparents. They're just not relevant in today's digital age. Today, attention is the name of the game. It's not just about what you know or who you know, but who knows you and how much attention you can capture. Every scroll, every like, every view, that's currency. Think about it. Every time someone engages with your content, you're building a form of digital wealth. And if you're not creating content, you're basically handing over your cash to someone who is. Kinda crazy, right? It's like you're giving away your potential earnings to those who are savvy enough to capture attention. Think about it. Would you rather have $1 million right now or the attention of 1 million people? This isn't just a hypothetical question. It's a real decision that can shape your financial future. Trick question. The second one is the golden ticket to way more than $1 million over time. With the attention of 1 million people, you have the power to influence, to sell, to create a brand that can generate income for years to come. Look, you don't need to be the next Kardashian or have a bazillion followers to win at this. Even a small, engaged audience can be incredibly valuable if you know how to leverage it. But what you do need to do is start. Start creating, start sharing, start building your digital presence. The sooner you start, the sooner you can begin to see the benefits. Because every day you're on the sidelines, the competition is getting fiercer, and that window of opportunity, yeah, it's shrinking. The digital landscape is evolving, and those who hesitate are going to find it harder and harder to break through. So, what can you do today to start capturing attention? Begin by brainstorming ideas that resonate with you and your potential audience. What are you passionate about? What unique perspective can you offer? Once you have your ideas, it's time to get practical. Set up your camera, adjust your lighting, and start recording. Don't worry about being perfect, just get your content out there. After recording, the next step is editing. This is where you can really make your content shine. Add effects, polish your presentation, and make sure your message is clear and engaging. Finally, share your content on social media and engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community around your content. The more you engage, the more attention you'll capture. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Building digital wealth takes time and consistency, but the rewards can be immense. So start today, stay committed, and watch as your influence and your wealth grows. The future of wealth is in your hands. It's time to take control, embrace the digital age, and start building the life you've always dreamed of. Let's make it happen. But Mr. Beast, you're thinking, I don't have the gear, the skills, or even the guts to put myself out there. Hold up, I've been there. Most of the creators killing it right now, they started with zero fancy equipment and a whole lot of doubt. Remember Amazon? Started in a garage. My point is, start where you are, use what you've got. And here's the kicker. There's a way to do this that costs almost nothing up front. Intrigued? Keep watching. Want to know the secret sauce to blowing up online? Get specific. People don't want generic advice, they're drowning in it. They crave solutions to their unique problems. Think about it like pizza. Would you rather order from a place with 5 amazing pizzas or one with a million things on the menu that are just meh? Exactly. The same goes for your content. Simplify, specialize, and become the go-to expert in your niche. Chapter 4. The Fear of Missing Out, or FOMO. Fast forward to 2026. You're scrolling and bam, there's someone your age living the dream, traveling the world, driving their dream car, all because they started creating content back in 2024. Feel that little pang of regret? That's FOMO, my friend, but listen, it's not too late for you. There's a strategy to catch up faster than you think. Ready to hear it? Chapter 5, Monetization, the Real Goldmine. Here's where things get juicy. You don't need millions of followers to start seeing those dollar signs. Sponsored posts, affiliate links, digital products, memberships. Even with a tight-knit community of 1,000 true fans, you can build a full-time income. Ever heard of the 1,000 true fans theory? It's a real thing. Turns out, binge-watching Shark Tank wasn't just procrastination. It was research. Let's break it down. Title: Consistency Beats Talent. Here's the hard truth. Most creators don't fail because they're not good enough. They fail because they give up too soon. Content creation is a marathon, not a sprint. The algorithm loves consistency, so post regularly, learn as you go, and get better with every video. But what about burnout? There's a way to avoid it and still create awesome content. Stick around, I'm about to reveal it. Title: Build Your Financial Empire with Content. In today's digital age, content creation is more than just a hobby or a side hustle. It's a powerful tool that can help you build a financial empire from the comfort of your home. Content creation isn't just about going viral, though that's always a bonus. It's about creating valuable, engaging, and consistent content that resonates with your audience. Whether you're a blogger, a YouTuber, a podcaster, or an influencer on social media, your content can be a goldmine. It's about building multiple streams of income. Think about it: ad revenues, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and more. Each piece of content you create has the potential to generate income in various ways. From those sweet ad revenues that come from platforms like YouTube and Instagram, to selling your own online courses, ebooks, and digital products. These are not just one-time sales, they can provide a steady stream of passive income. Every piece of content you create is a digital asset working for you 24/7. With the right digital marketing strategy, you can reach a global audience and maximize your earnings. Imagine waking up richer than when you went to bed because your video was pulling an all-nighter making you money. Sounds like a dream? This is the reality for many successful content creators. Your content works for you around the clock. While you sleep, your videos, blog posts, and social media updates continue to engage and attract viewers, driving traffic, and generating revenue. It's closer than you think. With dedication, creativity, and the right strategy, you can turn your passion for content creation into a thriving business. Start today and watch your financial empire grow. Let me leave you with this. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Your future self will thank you for taking this leap. And speaking of leaps, the next video on this channel dives deep into the power of compounding, a strategy that amplifies your wealth, whether you're investing money or your time into content creation.